Hi guys, I'm Gia. Welcome to my class. Yesterday we learned how to express existence with the. Have you already got it? If not, you can review my previous video. As we know, the is a function word and has no exact meaning in itself, but they can play a structural roles, okay? Today we will learn another function of the. Its structure is V1着, object 1 plus V2, object 2, which means that two actions take place at the same time and V1 is the accompanying state or manner of V2, okay? Now let's look at a photo. The man is smoking, right? Does he stand or sit? Yeah, sit. Okay, so we can say 他坐着抽烟. Let's see another photo. This guy is standing and smoking, right? We can say 他站着抽烟. Here, 坐着, 站着 are the accompanying manner of smoking. So we put the after sit, 坐 and stand, 站. Okay? Let's continue. Look at this photo. The guy is laying down and reading a book, right? If I say 他躺看书, is it right? Is this sentence correct? No, it's not correct. If I say 他躺看书着, now it's correct? No, correct. Because lying down is the manner of reading, so we need to add a 着 after the first verb, lying down, 躺, okay? So the correct sentence is 他躺着看书. Have you get it? Now let's more practice. In this scene, there are 4 people and they are eating popcorns, chips, drink beers, and watching a movie, right? So how can we say sentences with the structure V1 O1 plus V2 O2? Have you some in your mind? Okay, let's have a look together. The first sentence, we can say 他们吃着爆米花和薯条看电影. Here, 他们 is subject. 吃 is the accompanying state of watching movie. So we say 吃着. Popcorn and chips, 爆米花和薯条 is the object of 吃. 看 is V2. 电影 is the object of 看. Okay? Can we make more sentences? Of course, let's see another one. 他们喝着啤酒看电影. Here, 他们 is subject. 喝 also is the accompanying state of watching movie. So we say 喝着. Beers, 啤酒 is the object of 喝. 看 is V2. 电影 is O2. Okay? So we say 他们喝着啤酒看电影. This sentence's pattern is not so difficult, right? Let's do a little more, okay? 他们坐着看电影. They sit and watch movie, not stand, right? Here, sit is the common manner of watching movie, 看电影. So we can say 他们坐着看电影. If you are not clear about how to use this pattern, you can repeat towards this part, okay? Let's go ahead and practice for enhance our understanding of this structure, and then you will know how to use it in your real life, okay? In this picture, the guy is riding a bicycle and his eyes is looking around, right? How we say a sentence with today's structure? Firstly, we need to think out that riding a bicycle is an accompanying manner, so we can fix the first verb, ride, 骑, and the after it. And the object of ride, 骑, is bicycle, right? The second verb should be look around. We can say 逛. And its object is that can be street, 街, market, 市场. In this case, we say 胡同. Okay? So we can say the whole sentence. 他骑着自行车逛胡同. Okay? How we express this scene? The handsome boy is standing in front of the girl with flowers in his hand. We use the same train to think about how to organize the sentence. How does the guy stand in front of the girl with a cup of coffee? No. He is handing flowers in his hand, right? So, handing flowers in his hand is the accompanying state of the guy. So, the verb 1 is, we can say 捧, to hold, plus the, plus object 花, flowers. Stand, 站 is verb 2, in front of the girl, 在女孩面前 is a position phrase which play the role of the object of 站, okay? So, the completed sentence we can say 他手捧着花站在女孩面前. Okay? Yeah, now much more understanding for this structure. V1 01 plus V2 02. Hey guys, in this scene, what sentence may you make? 安娜坐着公交车上看电子书. Will you give me this sentence? I have no, because it is not a correct sentence, okay? Let's take a look. The correct sentence is 安娜坐在公交车上看电子书, okay? Because when the used after a verb, there can be no object behind it. But if there is an object, it cannot be a location object. Okay? 公交车上 on the bus is a location phrase. It should use 在 in front of 公交车上, not use 着. Okay? Have you got it? So, the sentence can be corrected to 安娜坐在公交车上看电子书. Okay? Hi guys, let's make a summary now. Today we learn the structure V1 plus V2, which means two actions take place at the same time, and V1 is the accompanying state or manner of V2. We also learned how to organize sentences with the structure. Finally, we mentioned that when the used after a verb, there can be no object behind it, but if there is an object, it cannot be a location object. For example, we don't say 安娜坐着公交车上看电子书 OK? Hi guys, 你们学会了吗? You can watch this video repeatedly to deepen your understanding. For the beginners, really suggestible to master these practical sentence structures and then make your own sentences. By this way, you can speak understandable Chinese, okay? You can write your sentence in the comment. Any questions? Feel free to leave a comment, okay? Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. 周末愉快，再见，拜拜。